In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a person in Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll be able to quickly clean up a photo by isolating and removing an unwanted subject while keeping the background looking natural. First, get your workspace ready so you can focus on the edit without distractions. Have your photo handy and make sure you're working on a standard pixel layer rather than a text or adjustment layer. If you like to work safely, consider duplicating your layer so you can compare before and after as you go. Next, open your image and click Pixel View at the top, sometimes referred to as the pixel persona. This tells Affinity Photo you want to perform direct pixel editing, which unlocks the tools designed for precise cutouts and retouching. If the image looks small, zoom in to a comfortable level so edges are easy to see. Accuracy here saves time later. Now, choose the brush selection tool on the left toolbar. This tool lets you paint a selection as if you're brushing on a mask. Before you start, adjust the brush size and softness on the context toolbar so it fits the scale of your subject. A slightly soft edge helps blend transitions, while a brush just larger than fine details keeps you from overreaching. Paint over the person you want to remove. If you grab too much background, switch the tool to subtract and paint it back out. Work methodically around hair, hands, and contact shadows at the feet to avoid halos. With the person cleanly selected, press delete. Affinity Photo analyzes surrounding pixels and fills the removed area to match the neighboring texture and lighting. If you notice odd smears or repeated patterns, press undo, refine the selection at tricky edges, and try again. It often helps to slightly include the shadow or fringe around the subject so the fill has enough context to rebuild the background convincingly. That's it, your person is gone, and the background is reconstructed. Review the result at both 100% and fit to screen to confirm it looks natural, and you're done.